Hello, my name is James. Today, I have a short lecture by Neville Goddard. Let us begin. Abundance. Abundance is a state of mind that comes from within. It is not about having material wealth, but rather an inner wealth of love and joy, a spiritual richness that arises from a profound sense of gratitude. Abundance comes from cultivating a positive attitude, focusing on the good in our lives and having faith that all our needs will be met. We each have an infinite potential that we can access by allowing ourselves to open up to possibility and creating a new reality. To do this, we must let go of fear, judgment, and negative thoughts and embrace the good. Visualize our desires as already existing and imagine ourselves living in abundance. In this way, we will be able to create the life we have always wanted. By believing in our power to manifest our desires, actively releasing the old and making room for the new, and being intentional in our actions, we can co-create with the universe to bring abundance into our lives. Have faith in yourself and your dreams and trust that all your needs will be met. Allow abundance to flow into your life by allowing yourself to receive. Abundance can take many forms. It could be financial wealth, health, love, material possessions, or any other form of abundance. We can create abundance in all areas of our lives if we imagine it and take action with intention. When we focus on gratitude for all that we already have, abundance will come in greater and greater forms. Hope you enjoyed that video as much as I enjoyed it. Please click on the subscribe button below this video, give it a thumbs up, and like it if you did. Thank you for watching.